Click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Free Hacking Tutorial. So in this video I am going to show you how to remove background from the image easily. So let's begin the tutorial. So here I have two images which I am going to remove the background from these two images. One is this image and another one is this. So to remove the background, open any web browser and go to this website, that is remove.bsg. Now you'll get an options to upload an image. Just click on it and upload your image. So I'm uploading this image. So after uploaded in this website, the image background will be removed automatically. So you can see here background of the image is removed completely. And now to download this image, you need to click on these two options, any one of these two options. So to download the image in low resolution, you need to click on these options. So to download the low resolution of the image, it's free to download the low resolutions, but to download the high resolution image you need to purchase some credits. So I am downloading the low resolution image, so click on this. So let's open it. So you can see here this image background is removed. So let's do it another image. Click on the upload image and select the image. So after uploaded in this website, the background of the image is removed completely. So download it by clicking on these options. So you can see here the background of this image is removed completely. So in this way you can easily remove the background of the image in Windows computer. So if you are finding this video useful for you, click on the like button and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates. And thanks for watching my video.